Did you know that nearly 70% of your immune system resides in your gut? Keeping it in top shape is crucial, and I have a quick trick that takes just 1 minute to supercharge your immunity. Welcome! Today, we're talking about a fast and easy way to boost your immune system. In a world where staying healthy is a top priority, this quick immune-boosting tea could be a game changer for you. Stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep sound familiar. These factors can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to colds and other illnesses. We need a quick, natural remedy to keep our immune system strong. This tea leverages the natural powers of turmeric, ginger, and lemon. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory, while ginger is loaded with antioxidants. Lemon provides a vitamin C boost, and black pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric's active compounds. Together, these ingredients create a powerful immune-boosting blend. Ready for the secret? Here's how to make it with either fresh or powdered ingredients. For fresh ingredients, ½ teaspoon chopped fresh ginger, ½ teaspoon chopped fresh turmeric. You can add cinnamon for the taste. Bring water to a boil in a small saucepan, add turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. Reduce heat to medium-low and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain tea into a large glass, squeeze half lemon, add a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, sweeten with a teaspoon of honey if you like. Add ¼ teaspoon of turmeric powder and ¼ teaspoon of ginger powder to a mug of hot water. Squeeze in half a lemon, add a pinch of black pepper, sweeten with honey if desired. Stir everything together, and there you have it, your daily immune-boosting tea in just 1 minute. Whether you use fresh or powdered ingredients, this simple tea can help strengthen your immune system, fight off colds, and keep you feeling great. It's quick, easy, and incredibly beneficial. Do you have any go-to-health tips? Share them in the comments. And if you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick health hacks. Stay healthy and take care.